does not mean being alone. It is taking the helm, doing things on your own. Sometimes in life, it's important to know that you're capable too. It will help you to grow. Life is like an ocean, waiting to be saved. Sometimes it will be gentle, other times like hell. There are two people when we talk about love. Sometimes one steers and the other just rows. It is time to find out how strong you are. It's important to know if you can sail alone. Life is like an ocean, waiting to be saved. Sometimes we'll be gentle, other times like hell. Take over the helm, steer towards the unknown. It is time to find out if you are strong enough. When you arrive to port and you step back on land, you're